Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Brightworld Wireless HDMI Transmitter and Receiver Kit. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include Wireless HDMI Transmitter and Receiver Kit offers a seamless and convenient solution for wirelessly streaming high-definition audio and video signals. With its plug-and-play setup, you can effortlessly transmit content from your source devices to your HDTV, projector, or monitor without the hassle of cables. Its compact and portable design adds to its appeal, allowing for easy placement and transportation. Upgrade your multimedia experience and enjoy the freedom of wireless streaming with the Relax Wireless HDMI Extender Kit. Easy setup and plug-and-play. Wireless HDMI Extender is truly plug-and-play, no app needed. Setting up your wireless HDMI connection is a breeze. Simply connect the HDMI transmitter to your source device, such as a Blu-ray player, game console, or laptop, and connect the HDMI receiver to your display device, such as a TV, projector, or monitor. The devices automatically pair, and you're ready to enjoy seamless wireless streaming in no time. Wireless HD streaming. Say goodbye to cable clutter and enjoy the flexibility of streaming your favorite movies, TV shows, presentations, and gaming content wirelessly. Our HDMI transmitter and receiver set utilizes advanced wireless technology to transmit high-definition audio and video signals with minimal latency and zero compromise on picture and sound quality. Wide transmission range. With an impressive transmission range of up to 164 feet/50 meters, may vary based on environment. You can easily extend your audio and video signals to another room or even across floors. Enjoy the freedom to move your display device without compromising signal quality. Uncompressed Full HD. Experience stunning visuals and crystal clear audio with our uncompressed Full HD transmission. Our wireless HDMI solution supports resolutions up to 1080p, delivering vibrant colors, sharp details, and immersive sound, ensuring an exceptional viewing and listening experience. Versatile connectivity. In addition to HDMI connectivity, our transmitter and receiver set offers versatile options for audio and video inputs and outputs. It supports multiple HDMI inputs, making it compatible with a wide range of source devices. The receiver also features HDMI output for easy integration with various display devices. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. And press the bell, select all and press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.